Doctors are reported to have close connections with the arrested Professor Shivraj Mutgaonkar. It is expected that the leaked NEET examination papers were distributed to students through these individuals. So, Shweta, this is another aspect that is coming to the fore from Latur, where doctors are being interrogated for their role. The investigative agencies believe that they might have actually been the ones who might have distributed these papers as well. Take us through these details.
This is what we are getting to learn from our reliable sources. Now, remember, as we speak about Shivraj Mutgaonkar, the RCC head and the founder, who was the 10th arrest by the CBI in this entire NEET paper leak case. Now, as he was a prominent personality across Maharashtra, we have seen more than 40 centers in Maharashtra of RCC. Having said that, he also had great connects with a doctor. How to reach to students? It's not only via intermediaries, but also the CBI expanded their investigation that few doctors, those who were regularly in touch with Shivraj Mutgaonkar. Remember, it's only on the primary information. Whether actually involved, whether directly involved in the case or not is yet to be proven. But yes, there were certain connections, in fact, that were established between Shivraj Mutgaonkar, the accused, as well as some of the doctors there. So currently, CBI was also questioning, in fact, what important details would be coming to fore is something important to see. Meanwhile, we have also seen that as CBI expanded their investigation, there have been 10 arrests made so far, and mostly we have seen people and the accused are from Maharashtra. Somehow this time, in this paper leak case, we have seen that how Maharashtra has become an epicenter where 5 arrests were already done. We speak about Shivraj Mutgaonkar, Manisha Mandhare, Shubham Khernar, Dhananjay Lokhande or Manisha Vaghmare. So clearly we have seen 5 people from Maharashtra. Still, the CBI officials are probing here in Maharashtra with several camps in several districts, in Latur, in Nagpur, in Vidarbh region and Marathwada region, to understand the well-organized crime that had taken place and the paper leak happened in 2026.
All right. Thank you so much, Shweta, for all that information.